Oke, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Raffi Noval Radivan. My study number is 2018 0520061. I come from IPA2 English 5 class. In this opportunity, I will present my research paper. This is titled The Effectiveness of Public Service Small Innovation in Improving the Quality of Public Service in Batang Regency. This is table of content for my presentation: introduction, research method, result, discussion, and then conclusion. The first, uh, the first one, I will present the introduction. Public service can be interpreted as providing service, the needs of a person or community who has an interest in the organization in accordance with the basic rules and procedures that have been determined. This gives an understanding that everything related to service should be carried out as well as possible so that people who receive the service feel satisfied with the service provided. In this fact, public service in Indonesia are still underestimated by almost all elements for society. This is due to the fact that people have been disappointed by the public service provided by the government too often, so that public's demands for good quality service are getting bigger. But this is still far from the reality because it collides with the bureaucratic conditions that are still bad. On the other hand, the needs and interests of the community are something that cannot be ruled out. There are many complaints from community elements to the central government regarding the lack of quality uh, public service made by local government agency. This condition make the government have to commit and innovate in improving public service. An innovation has emerged from the central and local governments in the delivery of public service, namely by building a public service mall. According to the Permanent Fund Law number 23 of uh, 2017, what is meant by a public service mall is place for activities to provide public service for goods, service, and or administrative service, which are an expansion of the integrated service function, but central and regional, as well as state-owned enterprise, regional and private-owned enterprise, in order to provide fast, easy, affordable, safe, and comfortable service. Thus, the public service mall is here as a breakthrough innovation for the delivery of public service for the community. The study aims to examine how effective the service provided by the Batang Public Service are in serving the community. The purpose of this research is also to find out what service the community can get. Apart from that, the study can also open the minds of other local governments to try out an innovation in public service in order to create public satisfaction. In as much the purpose of study to examine how effective the service provided by Batang Public Service Mall in serving the community. The question that will be used as material for researchers are as follows. Q1, what is the level of effectiveness of the public service mall innovation in realizing excellent service for the community. And Q2 can the implementation of the public service mall innovation as for the service needs needed by the community. Okay, the second I will present research method. Material. The study use qualitative research. Okay, in this research I use qualitative research because qualitative research are more flexible because they allow for greater spontaneity and interaction between researchers and respondent. In this case, the researcher uh, tries to better understand how effective the public service model is in providing service to the community participant. In this study, the participant I choose were public service mall staff and the public who visit the public service mall. And the procedure in this study, I use data collection technique in the form of direct interview with participant. The interview were conducted in the form of structured interview and semi-structured interview. To capture structured participant, the researcher first contact potential research person who would participate to conduct interview and make a commitment to the implementation time. While the semi-structured ones were visitors who came and went. People who will participate will be asked questions that have been made by researcher to obtain more in-depth information about the material to be studied, namely the quality of public service for the community. As for making the interview easier and remembering the answer of the speakers, it can be done with tools such as voice recorders or through literature as supporting material for researchers. Okay. The third, I will present result. The first result is the effectiveness of public service mall innovation in realizing excellent service for the community. The author in this case has conducted an interview process with staff at Batang Public Service Mall office. The public service mall staff interview where name is Safriel Arfi and Tia. The informant agreed in expressing that the word effective can be interpreted as a success and appropriate. A little introduction that the Batang Regency Public Service Mall was opened and inaugurated on January 23 2020 to accommodate Batang people who want to need service and take care of their needs. The public service mall has been around for about 1 year. If asked about the presence of the public service mall, is it effective or not? As far as the research person sees and is concerned that the existence of this public service mall is a new color in terms of the service information. Of the service innovation. If based on the question that has been raised, according to a staff named Safriel Arfi in a spontaneous post. I think the presence of the public service mall in Batang Regency can be said to be quite effective because here I can see how important this innovation with the presence of public service mall in which there are several services in one place so that it makes the community much easier in the process of service proposed and there is no need to go back and forth and I think the place is easy to reach by the community. All people know that the location of this public service mall is on the edge of the main road of the Batang Pantura, or they can access it with Google Maps to better know its point. According to several RV and Tia Assorts, they are said that measuring the effectiveness level of the existence of a public service mall in Batang Regency up to now has produced a percentage of 86.73% assessed from the Community Satisfaction Index. This Community Satisfaction Index is assessed on the basis of a questionnaire filled out by each community after carrying out the service process they need. From the questionnaire, that has been met by the public service mall, then it is fully recapitulate and coordinate with parties related to the Batang District Public Service Mall. It should be noted that the category for achieving the Community Satisfaction Index at 85% to 100% is in the satisfactory category. Thus, the public service mall in Batang Regency has proven to be quite effective and at the same times makes people who propose the need for the service process feel satisfied with the various service provided. Okay, this is second result. Implementation of public service mall innovation. Regarding the implementation of the public service mall, the informant gave a general description that the existence of this public service mall innovation. The community tends to feel easier because the provision of service needed by its community can be held more effectively and efficiently in the same location. It can be seen in the table that the implementation of the public service mall innovation received positive support from the community. The data presented by the author came from the document archive owned by the public service mall agency, which were provided directly by the interviews. It seems that it can be seen how significant the increase in the number of visitors. It is also based on the result of the Community Satisfaction Index for Public Service Mall managed by DPM PTSP Batang Regency. It is record that the Public Service Mall has served 28 and 500 people. This is proof of the seriousness of the Batang Regency government to achieve its target by providing easy access for the community to get good public service. The community does not need to move from one place to another to take care of service. If the community is still moving service location, it will drain their energy, time, and vehicle gasoline. Therefore, the presence of this public service mall provide a variety of service that can be accessed in one place so that the community is much easier. When in the second result, the research person named Samuel RV as a staff responding to the public service mall as an innovation for the community, he is considered to have a great and he said. Initially, the general public response was not clear and certain. District governments, especially DPM-PTSP, only disseminate information through social media that can be widely reached by anyone. This is due to the limited budget available. However, as time goes by, the service that comes from the public in the public service mall continues to increase and show good progress. Automatically, the public already knows what the advantages of the public service mall are. Therefore, it has been proven that the implementation of this public service mall is to provide and serve the community with various types of service that have collaborate as well as integrate service by service or agency from the regional and central government. Okay, the fourth I will present discussion. Uh, the study show that in several regions of Indonesia, there are still problems regarding public service, so as to make people in some areas complain at the same time disappointed with public service organized by the government agency. The community considers that the quality of public service is still far from what is expected. The second, that many elements of society prefer to complain to the central government for public service problems that are still occurring, and the community considers that the quality of public service provided by government agency is still low. Public complaints about this public service enter the ombudsman institution with so many public report about public service organized by government agency. It is therefore necessary to change governance in providing service to the community carried out by the government in their respective region. And third, naturally, the government must be commit and innovate in improving the quality of public service. Therefore, an innovation emerged from the central and local governments in the delivery of public service, namely by building a public service mall. The fifth, I will present conclusion. This study explains that public service are still a problem for several regions of Indonesia. This is support by complaints and disappointment from the public towards government agency as providers of public service, where the community feels that public service provided by bureaucratic are convol- convoluted, tend to be long, and the requirements are complex and inflexible. Therefore, people demand justice to get proper service from the government. On the other hand, the needs and interests of the community are something that cannot be ruled out. This condition make the government have to commit and innovate in improving public service. The government through Kemenpan RB provide an idea of a kind of innovation in the delivery of public service, namely by presenting a public service more. It is so be note that the implementation of the existence of the public service mall in Batang Regency is quite effective. When measuring the level of effectiveness of the existence of a public service mall in Batang Regency, up to now, the percentage of 86.73% is assessed from the Community Satisfaction Index. This is support because the public service mall, apart from providing many service from our agency, is also supported by adequate infrastructure and even implementing staff who are competent in their field. This is proof that the existence of the public service mall actually brings change and the same time makes it easier, safer, more convenient, quick, effective and efficient for the public to get public service. Okay, I give a little suggestion saying low the quality of public service owned by several regions in Indonesia. This should be an afterthought and should be considered for our local government in the future to be able to provide good quality public service for the community because society uh, desperately needs public service and it is alright for everyone. In addition, it is also suggested that the local government be active in developing service innovation uh, to support easy access to service for the community and to and do not uh, and do not forget that local governments must work together by inviting the community to be participatory in local government administration because the local government certainly also needs voice from the community, especially regarding public service, which are the rights and obligation of everyone to get them properly. Okay, that's all I can present. I apologize. I apologize if something is missing from the presentation. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.